Good morning, students. In our previous class, we have discussed a lot about the drama The Silver Box. After that, now it is the turn of poem. Our Casuarina tree by Toru Dutt. Okay. In this poem, poetess Toru Dutt explain this poem by humanizing it. Humanizing it means to personify it, and she wants to universalize the tree. She admits and insists that the life of Casuarina tree and the life of Toru Dutt, the life of Casuarina tree and Toru Dutt, both are similar. At the same time, before going to the stanza, let's learn what is the rhyme scheme of the poem. Rhyme scheme of the poem. So you will find there A B B A B B A. This is the rhyme scheme of the poem. The poem consists of five stanzas. Okay. So rhyme scheme of the poem is ABBA. Okay. Now this poem consists of 5 stanzas, and in each stanza, there are 11 consecutive lines. In the opening of the stanza, you will see. So it is clear to all. Rhyme scheme of the poem is ABBA. Okay, and the poem consists of 5 stanzas in all. And in each stanza there are 11 consecutive lines. Okay, understood it now? Now we come to the central idea of the poem. Central idea of the poem. Okay. Central idea of the poem. So you see the central idea of the poem means poetess humanizes the tree, our Casuarina tree. Here poetess humanizes the tree, and she attached and admitted the life of poetess and her brother Abzu and her sister Aru and herself used to play under the shade of the casuarina tree. So Arjun and Aru along with her used to play under the shade of the tree. Okay. Now next, and all the weal and woe. Weal and woe means all the unhappiness, all the happenings of the moment. Means she remember her past memories, and the eyewitness of her memories is casuarina tree, and she admits and explains in her weal and woe or in her sorrows. Sorrows means sadness. During her sorrows and sadness, when she was alone and remembers her past memories through the window, she used to see the huge tree, and she found this tree always standing behind her in her sorrows and happiness. But as for the guidelines and as for the poem, you will see her past memories means Abju and Aru. Both are not now. They have been passed away. But their memory is still in the mind of the poetess. And she wants to share her memories with the tree. Tree is the only object which she humanizes and tells that this tree is only one thing as a human being who witnesses and be the evidences for her to recall her past memories. Now you see in this, now we start the opening line of the stanza. What means it is the description of the first stanza. How does the tree looks to the poetess? How does the poet see to the casuarina tree? So in the casuarina tree, now you will see the physical description. Physical description of the tree. Physical description of the tree. Okay. You see here, physical description of the tree means a huge python winding round and round from its bottom to the summit. Here, poets want to say that bravery and the dareness of the casuarina tree. Though the python is known as the giant, who only known for its giantness or for its killings. However, this tree is out of the curse of the oblivion. Out of the curse of the oblivion means oblivion is the god of death, who curse all human beings. One day they will live, one day they will born and they will die. It is certain, but it is out of the oblivion curse. And the physical description of the tree is that tree is immortal. Tree is immortal for her. Though the huge python winding round and round all over the tree like a big and huge python, and it leaves the deep scars. Deep scars means deep mark on the bark of the, or you can say upper part of the tree. Upper part of the tree. Okay. So you will see that upper part of the C. So it is very important for you to understand that a python is winding round and round all over the tree, but tree is immortal and it exposes and expresses the brevity and dareness of the tree is still and being the witness for the poetess who gives physical description that, and it is a climber and creeper. This one is a climber and creeper who have the winding round and round, and in its box means in its stem, there are violet flowers hanging, red crimson flower hanging on its stem, and the flowers of the creepers at the summit or at the top of the summit looks like the scarf, means the tree is bearing or the python is bearing a scarf on its summit, and it left the deep mark on its upper part. Okay, so this is very important in opening line that, but however the bravery and the dareness of the tree is still alive, and she recalls that she used to play with her brother Abzu and sister Aru under the shade of the tree, which is the frequently comes into the mind of the poetess, and she recalls it, and the sadness and sorrows become universalized because the bemoan and mourning of the poetess and the mourn of the tree is similar for both of them, and it becomes very universal for her, and she shares these memories to the people, and its sadness can be heard. She is not now here, she left the country, but wherever she is, she can feel it and she can understand it, and this is humanize the tree, our casuarina tree. Darje like murmur, she hears the sound of lamentation of the tree, and it becomes universal, okay, and it becomes universal for the poet, and she universalized the whole poem regarding our casuarina tree. So that's enough for the today. In our next class we will have the next stanza. I think you will enjoy it, and keep on reading, and if it is possible for you, please subscribe it, and comment me, and put your queries if possible for you, and very soon we shall be meeting on our next class. Thank you.